how much do you like to feed them the better? Because I might make
Hello.
it really depends. The more you offer them, they'll really get easy. And they actually make like
Hello. Hi. Where are you going? You leaving? Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi, how are you? Wow. Beautiful blue wings. So how pretty. It is red. Hello.
Friends usually. So you just put it in, then tilt it down like the angle of their throat. You see? If it's coming out, you want to stop. But as long as it's going down, just let it go. Their chest gets big. See? You know they're full.
Hello. Hello. Hi. 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 So we just got home, and so we wound up buying the little green bird that I saw at the pet shop. So she's doing really good. I just saw her. She was playing with her toys. She because she's only 1 month old, so I don't, I'm worried about her alone in her cage. I've been holding her all day, but then I was like, let me put her down in the cage. So I put her in the cage, and she's playing, and so hopefully she'll be alright. So I'm really worried about her. Lola is so jealous. I think she was actually just she's trying to break into the cage, and she's trying to eat her. So she's so jealous. She can't take it because I was holding her on my shoulder, and Lola was just losing her mind. She's so jealous. So let me go get her, and I can show you guys. She's so beautiful. So here she is. She has this beautiful red tail. Say hi. Say hi. And wait till I show you. There she is. And look at this. Look at how beautiful her wing is. You see? So pretty. Say hi. Hello. Say hello. Say hi. Hello. She's so pretty. So she was just born a month ago, so The girl at the pet shop. See, here comes Lola. She's so jealous. It's okay. I love you, Mommy. She's so jealous. Say hi. Say hi, Nona. The girl at the pet shop said she was born either March 10th or March 16th. She wasn't sure, so she's a Pisces. So I love Pisces because my other dog is Pisces, and he's so relaxed, and he loves to he's just very relaxed, and I'm a very relaxed person myself. So I just love Pisces because I'm not really Pisces are supposed to be very tranquil and just I love to cuddle, I love to sleep, and that's kind of I think those are Pisces types of thing. Well, I'm Aquarius, but I have a Pisces moon, so I feel like I'm really more like a Pisces. Even people meet me and they're like, oh my god, you're not like Aquarius at all. I don't know what to name her, guys. What should I name her? I was thinking of calling her Tinkerbell because she... Oh my god! Don't do that! Okay, she's getting caught in my hair. Come on. Lola, stop it. You don't bite her. No. Okay. So like I was saying, Lola, be sweet to her. She has this beautiful green like Tinkerbell. So I was thinking about calling her Tinkerbell. Maybe I'll call her Belle for short. She was nice. Nice? Good girl. So, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.